Boracay swimsuit competition na. How are you preparing for it?
Actually, I'm preparing with my Passerella walk coach, and as of now, I'm really excited with the Aqua Boracay na competition because I love seeing the beach and I really love to see the what will happen there in the competition, and I know for sure that all the ladies will do their best.
Ang linggo na lang, Aqua Boracay swimsuit competition na.
Yes.
How are you preparing for it?
I'm really preparing my runway walk, my passerella for the Aqua Boracay because it's my first time then visiting Boracay.
Really?
Yeah,
Naku,
I
mag-e-enjoy
never
ka
went
doon.
at Boracay.
Okay.
So I'm really excited on what will happen.
Alright. How are you preparing for that?
Of course, training. If kayang everyday, if kaya ng katawan, everyday.
Ang Aqua Boracay swimsuit competition na. Paano ka naghahanda?
Well, all of us ladies are very busy preparing, especially for passerella, because passerella is one of the important things that we should train. And I also prepare my physical body because I really need to be fit sa Aqua Boracay.
Yes.
So those are the things that I'm preparing for.
Na lang. Swimsuit competition na in Aqua
Yes.
Boracay. How are you preparing for that?
Oh, actually, nahihirapan ako with my diet. Kasi actually, hindi talaga ako nagda-diet. I don't have
Okay.
any diet routines, ganyan. But in preparation for the Aqua Boracay swimsuit competition, I'm trying my best not to really lose weight, but to keep my body in a firm shape lang. Para mas maganda pa rin tingnan sa stage. Not too thin, not too fat. Yeah. So, yeah.
Aqua Boracay swimsuit competition na. How are you preparing for that?
Well, it starts with our body, right? So I'm trying to go to the gym more often, and of course, I'm watching what I eat, but still being kind to myself and allowing myself to have a snack here and there.
Alright. And Aqua Boracay swimsuit competition na. How are you preparing for it?
I'm all about the 10,000 hours rule, which is like consistency, doing a little bit every day. So for me, like I don't ever really go on a full-on hardcore exercise plan routine when I'm doing something. It's more about consistency. I try to do strength at least 2 to 3 times a week and a bit of cardio every day, maybe like about 20 minutes. Even if it's just like jogging a little bit, I just try to move my body. So that's my workout routine.
Alright. Competition na in Aqua Boracay. How are you preparing for that competition?
How am I preparing? I'm trying to go on diet naman as well, and then gym, and then we take brisk walks din.
May time pa ba for gym?
Pinagsisingit namin.
Ganun talaga. No?
Pinipilit isingit
Yes.
every day, at least before nung event namin, if yung call time naman hapon.
Okay. Alright. Swimsuit competition na in Aqua Boracay. How are you
Yes.
preparing for it?
Of course, exercising, making sure that we're eating healthy, but also I really feel like being here, it's a mental game. So making sure that you're really grounded and mentally strong will allow you to be really successful here.
Swimsuit competition na in Aqua Boracay. How are
Yeah.
you preparing for that competition?
Well, of course, we've been preparing in many different ways, holistically, mentally, physically, and technically as well. So there's been a lot of preparation going on to help us stay in shape, do our best walks for you guys, and stay tuned because it will be very, very soon on April 5. Yeah.
Boracay, Aqua Boracay. How are you preparing for that?
Actually, nakaka-pressure siya. And recently lang, naglabas ang Miss Universe Philippines ng swimsuit. And yeah,
Yes. So, ang ganda mo doon. Isa
Ay,
ka sa mga
salamat.
top picks ko.
ay salamat
Yes.
po. Pero yeah, this coming event po sa Boracay, I am very, very excited na makita nyo kung ano yung pinaghandaan ko. At hindi lang ako, pati ng team ko, syempre.
Okay. Swimsuit competition na. How are you preparing for that?
Really trying my best to at least get an ab workout in once a day. That's the ideal. I'm not saying that I'm actually able to keep up with that, but that's my goal. And then of course, just eating cleaner foods, not necessarily na super strict diet anymore because we're super busy. So the weight just sheds off naturally. So really more of making sure that inside I'm also ready to be super confident during this